Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Zillow Group. This is ticker Z. Now, Z is consolidating after a pretty nice run off of its 8 and 21-day exponential period moving average right here in the middle of September. We got a nice bullish engulfing candlestick, a back test of the 21-day exponential period moving average, and then it marched up the 8-day until it got a bit extended here, right around $69. And the last couple of sessions, it's just been consolidating that move. So I like the fact that this is holding in and around the 8-day exponential period moving average. I would look for the stock to stabilize around the 8-day and take out that 67.40 level right there and do it on volume to trigger a new entry on this stock. Now, of course, you'd want to make sure it holds above the 8-day exponential. That's right around 65.30. So keep an eye on Zillow for some follow through after this big move up in just a couple of sessions. But that's one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see Dan Fitzpatrick's full active trade list, take a trial, see what we're up to. Click that link, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.